folks, welcome to another, I'm going to call these almost daily vlogs, because we're not going to do them every day, are we? Don't work Sundays for a start, and we're bound to miss the odd few. So yeah, almost daily vlog at the MX5 Restorer. So back to the car park. Spin round your damn camera. Right. So yeah, so that's a red one we sold recently. That's RS Limited. This one's just come back from paint. Mark III. Can't remember what we're doing on that one. This one here is a car that will soon be up for sale. It's one we picked up last week. That's done 13,000 miles. We were just doing a few things just to make it perfect. So it's got the wrong mirrors on it at the moment because they went off to be painted just because they just lost a bit of their shine. And there was a tiny scuff on the front bumper, and the bit on the bottom had been blown in, probably with like a chips away type repair. Sorry if it's a bit blowy. It's a bit windy out here at the moment. This one here is one that we've done a full rear quarter on this side. Needs to be all polished up yet. This is just doing what the customer asked for. We got a new fuel filler to go on there. This side had rear arch full seal on this side. Let's go across there. We've still got to do the windscreen surround, so windscreen's got to come out. We'll do the surround, and I think it needs a bit of sorting out in here, which is quite common on these, so the wing will come off. We'll do that, and it failed on a few things for the MOT, so that'll hopefully be sorted out next week and go out next weekend. This one here is another one we're preparing for sale. We've just done the seal repair on it. It was sort of just starting to go, so we've done that. We've put a new roof on it, and it's got a new wing on it because again that was just starting at the bottom here. So new wing, that's going to go to the paint shop probably next week. That's the front bumper from the 13,000 mile one. It's outside, all looking lovely, and the mirrors all painted. It's a nice colour, this one actually. It's I haven't seen many of them, but I don't know if you can see it there on the camera, but that's actually a metallic pearl, standard colour, but not many of them got done in it. So let's go and see what Roy is up to. Nice hair, Roy. That was good timing. Right, Beaker. Right, how you getting on?
Yeah, not too bad. I think I hadn't finished cutting the other side out, so
this side was just.
This side was all in.
It was all cleaned up, wasn't it?
Yeah, all cleaned up and treated. So today we have concentrating on rebuilding the inside of here.
All right, here.
You can't really see it in there.
Might be able to see that.
Yeah. Rebuilt the panel behind here.
Yeah.
Put this on.
Filling plates on.
Inner seals on.
Rear box section.
I'm just doing a rear box section at the moment.
All right. Okay, other side, I think.
This one is actually all open and cleaned out.
Right.
Again, it was quite bad. They look choppy,
yeah.
A lot of it. And again, inner arch all gone, so we did the same as the other side really. Just got to rebuild everything behind.
Yeah.
All the other panels before we put panels on.
All right, we'll check in with you tomorrow.
Yes.
When it'll all be done, won't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We'll make that a daily thing, shall we?
Yeah.
Actually, just finished yet?
Yeah.
Right, so this is from yesterday's video, this is number 176. That's the 176th MX5 ever made. We're just getting this one. We've had this for quite a while actually, so we're just now deciding to try and get it ready for sale. So inner seal was going on. I guess you've done this, had a few holes in there, didn't it, on the inner box?
The inner section's been sort of replaced from there back. So.
Right, okay. And what did you do with the lower cylinder plate?
It was just a very small hole, so that's been sorted out down the bottom there.
Okay.
It's just the back, that's all.
So you've got the inner rear box section and that to do as well. Okay, and other side?
Other side is just the outer left go on now.
Oh, okay. Oh, the inner's gone on. Cool. Cylinder plate.
That was all good.
That was all good, that one, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay. This is the other thing with this car actually that we do need to document is, unfortunately, in 2008, this car got the write-off history from the insurance. insurance company. I don't know if you can hear me there because Roy's making noise. Is that? I mean, how dare you actually work?
It's not working so hard,
Right. Yeah, it had a knock on the back, which just damaged the bumper and the rear panel. But unfortunately, in 2008, they weren't really worth anything. So the insurance company did write it off, which is a bit frustrating. So it's got a Category C write-off against it.
Probably would have been worth.
Hang on.
With the insurance company, I reckon the insurance company probably valued that car at about £700.
Yeah, probably did. Yeah. So.
Which meant that repair on there would have totally outweighed it, which is and it's more structural.
Yeah. But now the car's worth a lot more money than that, so it's worth doing. But it's just a bit frustrating that the insurance company did that. But anyway, we are where we are.
I've got
what Mark MX5 is that, Chris?
75.
It's a Mark. It's a Mark 3. It's a Mark 3.85.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, they only made it for a little while.
I think
The
you've.
only Mark 3s were.
I think you've missed a bit, Chris.
Oh, damn.
Just in case you hadn't noticed.
No, it's a bit breezy over here today.
A bit breezy.
It's my dad joke. It's a BRZ. It's a bit breezy.
Insert laughter here.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, I'm sure Gareth can find some.
I'll try and find some. Maybe.
So just doing an underseal on this. Removed about 1 million screws and clips from underneath because obviously aero and plastics underneath. And it's just having some schmoo.
Some schmutz.
Some schmoo, yeah.
Yeah. It's looking
Shiny and black.
yeah.
So just started that side, this side, do the rears, and then I'll do underneath. Nice though, nice car.
Yeah. Nice to do something a bit different.
Not sure if I like the interior. I was expecting more, but I don't know what. The seats are nice.
I felt.
Seats are nice. It was just when I looked at the dash. There was something that
I think materials are. I would say a Mark IV MX5. The material quality seems better than in here. Perhaps.
Yeah,
No?
because this being a late Mark III MX5 Mazda, the Mark IV would have better plastics on it, wouldn't it?
Well, that's enough of that
I
comment.
was confused. Yeah, I don't know.
Anyway.
They're nice though.
Yeah,
Got
yeah,
a nice sound to them.
yeah. You've missed this side as well, Chris.
Yeah, I know. I haven't
Yeah.
done it.
Can you get that done?
So look, this is some of the plastics.
That is a lot to remove.
Yeah.
Nice.
Where's my screws? Yeah, look. All in order.
Very nice.
My dad's dad made this box. It's got a lot of sentimental value, it has, this says. And it also helps when you're doing jobs like this because you've got front arches, they're the rear arches, rear panels, side panels and middle.
Nice. See you later.
Yeah.
Right, so we spoke to Grant yesterday, who was just starting. It was the end of the day yesterday, and you were just starting your underseal, weren't you? So you're pretty much done now, aren't you? So yeah, so it's all been cleaned up, obviously, sprayed with the schmutz. Missed a bit there, Grant. Right, and this arch liner's going back in there and the rear bumper thing. So these all get removed, you see on the other side. We do have to cut them there because of the ABS sensor. But yeah, all done. Let's run around the front. Cheers, Grant. Front, all the plastic liners have gone back in. We obviously don't underseal the alley bits, but and underneath looking all nice. So that'll maybe make this one survive a bit longer. Right. Okay, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.